God damn it! Yes?
Good morning, sir. This is a survey from the customer marketing section of the Center for Social...
Survey? I don't have time for surveys.
This is Dr. Jones. I cannot take your call right now.
Ah, answering machine. Maybe I'll try him at work.
Illumination changes. You didn't say it, but I saw in your face. Oh.
Hello?
Dr. Jones? Oh, hi, Pam.
Dr. Jones does not accept not identified calls at the moment.
Well, many people have tackled this task before, recognizing faces in all kinds of different situations.
Hello, Pamela. This is the connector service. Daniel is currently holding a lecture. Do you want me to interrupt him, or schedule a call?
Oh, no. Don't interrupt him. Schedule a call.
Fine. Thank you and goodbye.
Please don't forget to read about the Turing machines at home, and I'll see you next Monday.
Hi, Danny. How was the lecture?
Yeah, it was okay. You know what? I got plenty of free time now. So, you want to go for coffee?
Oh, okay. I'll meet you downstairs. Yep, bye.
I try to call you all day, but you always hang up on me.